We're not in our RV.
Nope. We're done with it.
We're completely finished with the RV.
You saw us drop it off. We don't want it anymore.
Wait.
It's somebody else's problem. It's my thought. I got sick of fixing it.
Yeah.
Caught on fire too much.
I think it only caught on fire once, though.
Bad memories.
Yeah.
Driving. Oh no.
Man, we look tired.
I am tired.
Okay, so you guys want to know what the deal is?
We're quitting RVing. Isn't that what you told me to say?
Yes.
We're quitting RVing.
For 2 months.
That's it? Alright. So, we're going on an adventure. Venturing.
Yep.
On the other side of the world. Basically going to be about 12 hours difference from everybody else.
Yep.
So, you want to tell them where we're going?
We are going to Southeast Asia.
We could not bring the RV. It wouldn't fit in the airplane. We tried.
Yeah, it wouldn't fit in the overhead bins, so they wouldn't let us bring it.
The overhead bins, that's awesome.
We're a little punchy, so
Yeah.
I'll give you a little... So, we woke up in Atlanta at 5 a.m. and we got on a flight to LA. We've been running around LA all day, and now we're in the lounge because we got the swank seats, and we're waiting for our flight, which is like at 1 a.m. So
Pacific,
so which is like 4 a.m. Eastern. So we're a little tired. Anyway, so going to Bali for about a month, and then we're going to Thailand for about a month. And we're going to continue to record video and show you what that's all about.
as long as we have internet.
We'll have internet.
Yeah. Just kidding. Still gonna do the same things, just not in an RV for 2 months.
Yes, so eat vegan food.
Eat vegan food and talk trash.
Yep.
You're welcome.
And we'll be seeing animals. You know how we had cows around our RV. This time it'll probably be monkeys.
And
Maybe some elephants.
And party animals.
Party animals.
I'm so tired.
Yeah.
This lounge is pretty swank. They could turn up the AC a little bit.
Yeah, like about 15 degrees.
But
Yeah.
so the next time we record, probably gonna be in Shanghai.
Yeah. We have some other videos from Colorado for you.
Oh yeah. You guys are still in Colorado.
Yeah, sorry. We've been a little... So that's the cat that's out of the bag now. We've been a little crazy trying to get this trip together and get everything together so we could leave.
Yep.
So that's why videos haven't been flowing.
But we're still going to be at the Super RV gathering in Tampa
Yes, so...
with the motorhome experiment.
We're going to pick up our RV at the end of October, and we're still doing Veg Fest, and we're still going down into Florida, and...
Assuming that we don't get captured by the natives and hug elephants for the rest of our lives.
Yeah. So, cool. Alright, well, I wanted to make sure we got this out to you guys.
I didn't.
It's pretty soon.
Just kidding.
So, yeah. I think that's it for now. We'll just cut this. That's enough.
Can they see us upside down?
Oh, I don't know what that will do.
We're going to be on the other side of the world. Actually, that wouldn't be upside down. That's going to Australia. We're just going to be on the equator.
Alright.
So the equator.
Alright, you're gonna make people sick.
Southeast Asia, here we come.
Yeah.